Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to use the Uber emergency safety button. For that, go and open your Uber app and then head straight to open safety toolkit. For that, you need to tap on blue shield icon at the bottom of your map during a ride and then select emergency assistant. Tap the option marked with a red alarm or labeled emergency assistance, and then swipe or tap the button to call emergency services. Some cities, your GPS location and license plate are automatically shared with the dispatcher, and in some cases the app will display your real-time location and vehicle info so you can read them, and on screen details the app will display your real-time location and vehicle info so you can read them to the operator if needed. And that is how you use Uber emergency safety button. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.